Hey there, future property owner. Ever dreamt of escaping the hustle and bustle, immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature, and waking up to breathtaking views every day? Well, your dream might just be a click away. Imagine owning a piece of Bulgaria, a country rich in history and natural beauty. Now, let me guide you through a remarkable opportunity, a Bulgarian property that's not just a home, but a canvas for your dreams. Nestled in the heart of one of Bulgaria's most enchanting villages, this two-story house is a blend of grandeur and intimacy. Whether you envision a spacious family mansion or a charming small hotel, this property, with its 1,000 square meters of fully regulated land, provides the perfect canvas. The privacy it offers, coupled with stunning panoramic views, is unparalleled. Crafted with a solid stone foundation, handmade double brick walls, and a classic roof adorned with exposed beams and handmade tiles, the house is a testament to timeless craftsmanship. The first floor boasts a spacious saloon, a basement right for transformation into a cozy tavern, a small bathroom, and 2 additional rooms. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms and a generous terrace await, providing a perfect spot to soak in the beauty that surrounds you. Fully furnished with beds, wardrobes, tables, and stoves, this house is not just a property, it's a ready-to-move-in haven. And if that's not enough, a large barn beckons, ready to be transformed into additional living space, perfect for those considering venturing into the thriving tourist business. But it's not just the property, it's the lifestyle it offers. Imagine horse riding through beautiful forests, strolling along the river, or cultivating your own small farm on the fertile, 100% freehold land. The possibilities are as vast as the landscape itself. Now, let's dive into the existential questions. Do you long for a life away from the chaos, where the symphony of nature replaces the city noise? Are you ready to embrace a property that not only meets your needs, but exceeds your wildest dreams? As we embark on this Bulgaria home tour, I invite you to answer these questions in the comments below. What vision does this property spark in your mind? Could this be the canvas for your new chapter? And as you browse through the photos and video, let provocative questions stir your thoughts. Could this be your sanctuary away from the rat race? Would you trade the cityscape for the serene landscapes of Bulgaria? Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Contact us now to make this dream property yours, whether through a cash purchase or our flexible pay monthly plans designed to suit your needs. Before we wrap up, leave a comment with your thoughts, like the video if this property resonates with you, and subscribe for future updates on incredible opportunities like this one. Act fast, your Bulgarian paradise awaits.